Hello everyone, welcome to Auto Mechanist channel. And today we are going to go over some nice car wash towels. As you can see here, we have a lot of them, and with different material and different size, color. And if you go to our website, you will find they are in different pack and different prices. And also you can choose different type of them to get your different purpose job done, and maximize your efficiency to make the best use of them. And let's look at them one by one. And first, let's look at this dark gray color, and it's thick and soft. And the spotlight here, you can see the edge of head knob technology will not hurting your car surface, and also will not pulling the silk and no lint and no swirl when you clean your car. So it's the nice choice. And first, let's look at this one. Two sides different, and you can see the material is different, and you can use it for your car cleaning. And this one especially designed for glass cleaning, and you can see it Waffle microfiber material. It's good to use for glass cleaning, and also you can use it for your home TV and CD cleaning. And look at this, two sides, color different, and yellow and gray, and it's also very good quality microfiber material, and the size, two sides design, nice color, nice use, and these two very strong capacity of absorbing water. You can clean car body and car interior and exterior. Strong absorbing water ability. It can absorb times of weight, ton waters than its own weight. It's very light, but if after absorb water, it weighs times. And we will have outdoor experiment to show you and how they work. And also we have a bigger size here. You can see, all of them are very soft and nice material. Even you can use them for home use, take the shower and use this towel. Thank you very much for watching. If you think our video are helpful, useful, please give us a thumb up and subscribe our channel. And enjoy your shopping. Have a good day.